Now part 5th, this is the last part of chapter 1, real number, for class 10 students. Question number 22. Two friends take 18 minutes, 12 minutes respectively to complete a round on a circular track. Both start together at the same time from the same spot. After how many minutes they will meet again? The answer is LCM of 18 and 12. This LCM by this process is known to you from junior classes. Operating by 2, 9, 6 fifth by 2, 9 remains same, 6 becomes 3, 3 say 3, 1 fifth 3, 1, 1. So LCM is this into this into this. So after 36 minutes, the two friends will again meet. The reason for finding the LCM, required time will be always more than 18 and 12 minutes. One is completing the whole track, circular track in 18 minutes, other in 12 minutes. So once more they will meet in time which will be more than or equal to 18 and 12 both, so LCM is necessary. Now non-terminating decimal and terminating decimal. 1 mark question, only 1 mark question may be asked. One word question, up to how many decimal places the rational number or fraction will terminate. So first of all, express the rational number in the simplest form. It is necessary that the rational number or fractional number must be expressed in simplest form. After that, you can take decision on the basis of denominator. If the denominator contains only factors 2 or 5 or both 2 and 5, then terminating after m places if m is more than n, and after n places if n is more than m. See the example here. In this question number 23, the power on 2 is 4 and power on 5 is 3. The maximum power is 4. 4 is greater than 3, so the answer is 4. This will terminate after 4 decimal places. Now come to another question. Now question number 24. After how many places this will terminate? Now if you know the table of 119, 17 sevanja 119. If you know this, because the 7 is available in denominator, so if the 7 will be in denominator, it will be non-terminating, but this 7 can be cancelled by a factor of 119. 119 is 17 into 7, 7 cancelled. After that, express the denominator in power form. Now both 3 and 3, the maximum of these 3 and 3, 3, so it will terminate after 3 places. Example 25. 13 by 1, 3, 2, 5. After how many places it will terminate? See the factorization of 3, 1, 2, 5. This can be written as 13 by 5 to the power 5. The power on 5 is 5, so it will terminate after 5 places. Now 26 number. 129. In the table of any 129 is a prime. So the factorization of 129 is not available. Sorry. The factorization of 129 is available, but it will be 129. You can cancel it by 3. But in denominator only 2 and 5 are available. So never look towards numerator. Remember it. Here 7 is a creating problem. That is why we factorize the numerator. Here only 2 and 5 are available. So never think that how 129 will be factorized. This is a composite number. It can be factorized by 3. 129 is also factorized by 7. And likewise by 3. 3 multiply 3 4 ja 3 3 ja 43, 3 ja 129. So the factorization is 3 into 43, but not needed to factorize this. So simply the question, if the denominator is 2 and 5, so it will be terminating. The maximum of 3 and 5 is 5, so it will terminate after 5. Now 27 number question. Explain whether this is rational or irrational. From class 9 you know how to write this 45, factorize the 45 like this, 20 like this, then 1 3 is taken common, 1 2 is taken common, so 12 root 5 plus 6 root 5, this is 18 root 5 by 2 root 5, root 5 cancel, so 9 is a rational number. Now 28 number question. Write one irrational between root 2 and root 3. So root 2 you know 1.414. Root 3 is 1.732. Just take this. These both are approximately approx. So 1.4, 1.7, in between 1.4 and 1.7, 1.5 comes. 1.5 comes. So just see. Starting from 1.5, single 0, single 5, single 0, double 5, double 0, triple 5, triple 0. This is a pattern of non-terminating, non-repeating. Similarly, 1.5, single 1, single 5, single 1, double 5, double 1, triple 5, triple 1, and so on. This is also a pattern for irrational number. You can keep 1.52, double 5, double 2. This is also irrational number. You know from class 9, so no need to give more explanation. Come to another question. This is 29 number question, last question of real number. Find the HCF and LCM of AB, where A and B are prime. Note that if A and B are prime, nothing is common. So only 1 is common, so HCF will be 1. And LCM of two prime number is simply A cross A into B product. So the product of two numbers, if two numbers are prime, then the LCM will be the product of two numbers over. So wait students, in PDF I will send all 29 questions together, and I will highlight all those important questions by out of 1 to 29 by putting very important symbol in the left side of the question number. And the hard question which may not be asked in examination will be highlighted by a star. The students are not supposed to put more stress on a star. If you are very intelligent and you are always capable to obtain more than 90% marks, only then you can go through the starred problem. Starred problems are only made from the very intelligent students whose score will never be below 95 or 90 in any of the mathematics examination. Good luck. Wait for the PDF containing all the 29 questions. Okay, good luck.